Sinem Akgün. Today I'm pleased to present to you the range of Kia Ceed models that will receive a major upgrade in 2021. These are the Ceed 5-door hatch, the Ceed sports wagon and the ProCeed shooting brake. Another crucial member of the range, the Ceed compact SUV, is soon in for an upgrade too, so stay tuned for that. The Ceed model range and its widespread offerings position Kia as a strong and innovative contender in the consideration lists of many new car buyers. Now in their third generation, the hatch and the sports wagon models have welcomed two new members into the range since 2018. ProCeed, the only car model from a mainstream brand to offer a beautiful shooting brake body style, and Ceed, the distinctive and stylish urban crossover with an elegant SUV coupe body style. With these two new entries, Kia has managed to establish itself and thrive in new subsegments. The 2021 facelift consists of major design updates combined with an advanced powertrain that includes mild and plug-in hybrid technology. More importantly, the models are now more complete with the introduction of new connectivity and driving assistance technologies. First, let's take a look at the new design. On display today, we have a Ceed GT line, a Ceed sports wagon plug-in hybrid EV, and a ProCeed GT. Common to every new Ceed is the introduction of the newly designed corporate badge on the exterior and interior. With the new badge, Kia has further elevated the visual appeal of the new Ceed design. The front has been completely redesigned to leave an intense and lasting impression, drawing specific attention to Ceed's expressive and sophisticated nature. Now sporting a more agile appearance, the signature tiger nose grille in glossy black contains two distinct tabs which, depending on the trim, has either a satin or dark chrome finish. The lower tab has a dynamic floating wing shape and the mesh features a triangular pattern that slightly differs in shape depending on the trim. Exclusive to the GT trim, a GT logo and red highlights are embedded into the grille. The unique front look of the PHEV is ensured thanks to the color contrast finish, emphasizing the depth of the geometric shapes that entirely fill the PHEV grille. The front light signature is more distinctive thanks to three arrow-like vertical LEDs positioned horizontally inside the headlamp. These modules function as daytime running lights and side indicators. Additionally now, the headlamps also feature an LED fog light source. At each end of the front bumper, a large triangular air curtain garnish shapes and connects the surrounding surfaces. This creates another floating wing graphic in the front, deeply contributing to Ceed's sporty visual volume. This garnish and its sweeping gesture towards the front wheel arch create a dynamic side-front graphic for the new Ceed. The sporty front look is further achieved by omitting a body-colored stripe on the bumper lip, visually creating the impression that the lower air intake is larger. For the GT line and the PHEV, two garnishes in satin chrome finish stretch along the width of the air intake and angle upwards at the center to mimic the wing graphic projected at each side of the front bumper. For the GT, two distinct and striking red elements are integrated into the sides of the lower air intake in order to emphasize its performance-driven nature. The 17-inch standard alloys of the GT line are newly designed and feature a glossy black and diamond cut finish. The 18-inch alloys of the GT have a new and unique design that is exclusive to the GT variant only. PHEV's 17-inch alloys have a sportier look. Depending on the variant and the body style, the new Ceed is available in up to 13 different paint finishes, 4 of which are new. Exclusive to the GT and GT line hatch, the new light signature on the rear is turning heads thanks to 48 LEDs, each captured within a honeycomb-shaped red frame. These align horizontally to form 5 rows inside a smoke-tinted lens. LEDs in specific rows light up sequentially in order to indicate to other road users that the Ceed is about to make a turn. In the rear of the GT line and PHEV, a newly designed glossy black diffuser conceals the exhaust pipe. It is decorated with a one-piece satin chrome garnish that curls down at each extremity. On the rear of the GT, dual-reel exhausts are partially integrated into the newly designed glossy black diffuser. The round tips of ProCeed GT are in satin chrome finish. GT red accents on the diffuser are a new addition to accentuate this variant's sporty character at the rear. The cabin, with controls that are easy to reach and operate, and large digital displays, is very driver-centric. The ambience is upscaled thanks to soft touch materials and a trim that matches satin chrome to glossy black. With 9 different styles to choose from, a variety of fabrics consisting of cloth, leather, suede, or a combination, let Ceed drivers customize the interior of their car according to their tastes. The appeal of GT and GT line variants are further elevated thanks to bucket-style sport seats in black suede leather, a black roof liner, a D-shaped steering wheel, and a transmission knob covered in perforated leather. The GT, to match its striking looks to an engaging driving experience, is exclusively available with a unique-sounding 1.6 turbocharged gasoline engine mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and delivers a whopping output of 204 horsepower. Additionally, it features a sport drive mode that is specifically tuned to match the expectations of the GT driver. Thanks to its 8.9 kilowatt-hour battery and an electric motor, the PHEV is capable of zero-emissions driving. With a sufficient battery charge, the PHEV can be driven in town up to 57 kilometers on electric power alone. Regular charging of the battery and a petrol hybrid powertrain that supports longer journeys mean less frequent visits to the fuel station and an end to range anxiety. The GT line is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged mild hybrid gasoline engine. Mated with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, it delivers 160 horsepower. This engine is built in Europe with Kia's latest Smartstream powertrain innovations and delivers the promise of reduced emissions and improved on-road performance. Depending on their mood and road conditions, drivers can select one of the available drive modes. Ceed's powertrain lineup offers 2 additional Smartstream members: the 1-liter turbocharged gasoline and the 1.6-liter diesel, both available with MHEV and DCT. The new Ceed keeps on providing an immersive user experience thanks to improved HMI, an improved multimedia infotainment system with navigation featuring Kia's connected services, and an improved smartphone app that facilitates communication and control over the Ceed. The system is able to receive software and map updates over the air, eliminating the need to visit a dealership for an update. The calendar link function enables drivers to view their appointments on the 10.25-inch large floating touchscreen and seamlessly navigate to the destination in their calendar entry if they wish to do so. With the valet mode, drivers can lend their car to others with peace of mind, as they can restrict access to personal information stored inside the system, track the whereabouts of their car, and more. Improved voice recognition functionality means drivers can verbally command their Ceed to fulfill certain actions, such as opening the tailgate or control heating. The fully digital 12.3-inch large driver instrument cluster displays more refined pin-sharp details, and the projected graphic can be customized by selecting one of the available 4 themes. When desired, changing the drive mode can be linked to a change of the cluster graphic. New Ceed's enhanced suite of advanced driving assistance technologies not only provides ease of operation, it makes driving safer and less stressful. Among the newly introduced technologies are highway drive assist with navigation-assisted smart cruise control, blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, leading vehicle departure alert, safe exit warning, and a rear view monitor with improved functionality. Thanks to the new Ceed models, Kia offers one of automotive's most innovative and comprehensive lineups. In 2021, this offer is better and stronger than ever before. For more information, tune into a communication channel of your choice. You will find a Kia Ceed that is perfect for you.